Sir, we can start our class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Good morning, students. So, welcome back to our Rise webinar classes once again. So, first, today's specialty is nothing but the National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day, which is a birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. So, first, I'm happy to say that as a mathematics teacher, so I'm saying that happy National Mathematics Day. So this is a National Mathematics Day, 22nd December. So was burned on the 22nd December. That is Srinivasa Ramanujan. So the great mathematician from India. So his name is Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. So his name is Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar, and we are celebrating his day, his birthday as a National Mathematics Day. So next, this is a Srinivasa Ramanujan Iyengar. So next, this is, he says one quote is there: an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of a God. So it's one of the notations. So once again I'm saying that happy National Mathematics Day. So this is the today's specialty, and now I'm going to take a ellipse class 4. So before that one, we have to recapitulate what we have learned in the previous classes. So first, what is the standard form of an ellipse? What is the standard form of ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b, which is the standard form. Okay. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. So this is the standard form of an ellipse. So in this one, we know the foci, vertices, center, major axis, minor axis, endpoints of major axis, endpoint of minor axis, and length of the major axis, length of the minor axis, and the length of the latus rectum. So depends upon the a is greater than b, b is greater than a. So and the center transform from 0, 0 to h, k. So we are learned all these things. So we are learned the previous classes, these all. So now we have to take some problems on that one before. Okay. So now ellipse class 4 I'm starting. So show that among the points on the ellipse, what is ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b, minus a comma 0 is the farthest point, and the plus a comma 0 is the nearest point from the focus a comma 0. So what is saying that show that we have to just show what is that. If we have an ellipse, then which is having the focus, and 2 points are given that are minus a comma 0 and plus a comma 0, and the ellipse. Okay. So ellipse condition is this one. So which means major axis is x-axis, minor axis is y-axis. So and what is saying that, so this is the figure, observe this one. So we are taking a focus here and a point. He says that minus a comma 0 means minus a comma 0 lies on the q2. So q2, then this one I'm taking here, and a comma 0 I'm taking here. So this is minus a comma 0, this is plus a comma 0. So in the question is saying that, so minus a comma 0 is the farthest point, and the plus a comma 0 is the nearest point to the focus. Just we have to prove that one. So for that one, so then figure is like this. So observe this figure, a dash, b dash. So any point lies on the p x comma y we are taking. So then this is a focus. So solution, before that solution, you have to observe this one. So just I am taking any point P lies on the ellipse. So this is a lies on the ellipse. So this is P x comma y, and the focus is and the center C, and the length of the major axis is 2a, length of the minor axis is 2b. So now for solution for this one, so let P be any point on the ellipse. P be any point on the ellipse. So that we know the values from this one, from the question. So this value is minus a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a, and s is a comma 0. B the focus. B the focus. Then since x comma y lies on the ellipse, that's why just I am taking x comma y and I'm solving for this one. Then so x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which is given in the question. I'm solving for y. Then y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So what is that? Y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So just I'm taking this value into right side. So this is positive value, taking it to right side, I will get this will be the negative value. So then y square by b square equal to the next step, y square by b square equal to, we are taking as a square as a LCM, then we'll get y square by b square equal to a square minus x square by a square, a square minus x square by a square. And next, so here, so I'm taking this b square. So b square taking to right side, this is the denominator. If you take to right side, it will be the numerator. That is y square equal to b square of a square minus x square by a square. B square of a square minus x square by a square, which is y square equal to a square of 1 minus e square. So what is the value of a square of 1 minus e square? Where it is? From the standard form of ellipse, we denote that one b square as a square of 1 minus e square, a square of 1 minus e square, just substituting. So and from that one I'm cancelling these two terms, that is a square by a square is there, so just cancel. So y square equal to, you will get y square equal to 1 minus e square of a square minus x square. So y square equal to 1 minus e square of a square minus x square. This is equation number 1. So once again I'm repeating, let P be any point on the ellipse and the minus a is less than or equal to a, less than or x is less than or equal to a, and s is a focus. And since x comma y is on the ellipse, just substitute, just to solve for y value. So we'll get y square equal to 1 minus e square of a square minus x square. So where b square equal to a square of 1 minus e square. So we know that one. And so we know that s. So previously, so here, so just what, okay, right, you can write. So then we know that s value is ae comma 0, p value is x comma y as per the diagram. So then sp square, distance between these 2 points is nothing but sp square. I'm taking sp equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So just substitute the distance formula, then you will get sp square equal to x minus ae whole square plus y square. So x minus ae whole square, y minus 0 whole square. So then just this value x minus ae whole square, y square value, what we have the y square value in the previous. So y square value, this is, so I'm this one in substituting in the next one. So that is, so x minus ae whole square plus y square equal to x minus ae whole square plus 1 minus e square of a square minus x square. Then so I'm expanding this one, this is as per the a minus b whole square, and this is multiplication. So a minus b whole square, a square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So then a square means x square minus 2x ae plus a square e square. Similarly multiply here a square and minus x square and minus a square e square, minus of minus into minus plus, then e square x square. So then Just you have to cancel this one. X square plus x square is here, minus x square, and a plus a square, and a minus a square. Then you will get value of minus 2a ex plus a square plus e square x square. This is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Observe this one. A square plus b square minus 2ae. So this value is 2ab. So this ex is the b and this value is a. So then just a minus b whole square. This in the form of a minus b whole square. I'm writing a minus ex. Otherwise you can write ex minus a. So what we have, that minus a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. I am taking that one as minus and multiply with the e of the this one. We have this one and I multiply with e total equation. Then I will get minus a is less than or equal to x e less than or equal to a. So this is equation number 2. I'm repeating once again. So this is minus ae is less than or equal to xe less than or equal to ae. So this is equation number 2. So and also okay, next taken. So I'm subtracting a from the equation. I will get minus ae minus a is less than or equal to xe minus a is less than or equal to ae minus a. So I'm repeating, minus ae minus a is less than or equal to xe minus a is less than or equal to ae minus a. So just subtracting from the equation, that is a. So then I will get ex minus a is less than 0. Ex minus a is less than 0. This you will get from, so if you have a point a comma b, which is easier given that closed intervals, so that formulas we can get this one as, so this equation can be written as like this. So then so this is ex minus a less than 0. Next, so I'm writing this is mod value. So this is the distance formula. Then sp value is mod of a minus ex. Then sp equal to a minus ex. I'm writing this is a positive value whether because of this is a distance formula. This is a distance formula. Then from 2 and 3, sp value we have that one a minus ex, and the a e plus a is greater than or equal to sp is greater than or equal to a minus ae. So just reverse that equation, you will get a minus ae is less than or equal to sp is less than or equal to ae plus a. Then from that one, this is the minimum value and this value is the maximum value. So then sp maximum value is sp equal to ae plus a, that which is minus a comma 0. This is minimum value sp equal to a minus a e when p is a comma 0. So here from this one, this is maximum value, minimum value from this one. So maximum minimum values, this is the value as maximum, this is value as minimum value. This is a greater than this value. So and this value is less than this value. That's why I'm writing this is p minus a comma 0. This value is p a comma 0. So that's why I'm concluding that one plus a comma 0 is the nearest point to given point. So that is hence px comma y is the nearest point to, sorry, this is focus. Nearest point to s value is a comma 0. That is nearest point to e is a comma 0 and the farthest point is minus a comma 0. So observe this one once again. So this is a figure and question from the point he asking the from the point a comma 0. Then we can solve for y first. Then we'll get these values and the distance between sp, and we'll get some value, and we have from the subtracting a from the equation. So then you will get another value and sp value is like that. So equation from 2 and 3 you will get sp value and the conclude that one p of a comma 0 a nearest point and the p of minus a comma 0 is the farthest point from the focus. Okay, so yeah, this is focus. So next question. So if the ends of the major axis of an ellipse if ends of the major axis of an ellipse 5 comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0. Find the equation of the ellipse in a standard form if its focus lies on 3x minus 5y minus 9 equals 0. So in this question is just clearly informing that one. So if I'm taking this is ellipse, so end points, these two end points is given that is 5 comma 0, 5 comma 0 and minus 5 comma 0. And a focus. So this is a major axis. I'm taking is given that is a it is a major axis and the focus lies on the major axis. Why? Because of is saying that this is a standard form. This is focus. So the focus lies on the which equation? This equation, this line. So that is 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. So a focus lies on the this equation. So the focus lies on the major axis. This is major axis end points. So this focus also lies on this one. So which is nothing but major axis. So major axis line equation. Then so figure like this. The center x-axis x dash, y-axis y dash. So then this is an ellipse. So a dash, b dash. So here s is there, s dash I'm taking here, s dash. This is s value. This is s only. So then s dash. So then this is a figure. So and I also is saying that this value, this end points are 5 comma 0 minus 5 comma 0, which means this value and this value, and a focus lies on the this equation. So this line equation is nothing but this one. So and so we have to find the ellipse equation. Now solution for that one, ends of the major axis is nothing but a 5 comma 0, a dash minus 5 comma 0. I'm taking that one. So end points is nothing but these two. So from the question. So and the length of the major axis is nothing but distance between these 2 points. Distance between these 2 points. That is nothing but from distance formula you can substitute. Otherwise, length of the major axis is nothing but 2a. So just evaluate these values. A dash equal to a. So 2a value. So I'm finding 2a value. So that is distance formula minus 5 comma minus 5 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square and 0 minus 0 whole square. Then you will get minus 5 minus 10 whole square. Square roots gets cancelled. Then you will get a is 5. So 2a equal to distance between these 2 points. These 2 points, you will get 2a equal to under root of 10 whole square. Then square root cancel and the 2a value is 10. Then a equal to 5. A equal to 5. Focus lies on the 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Then what is the focus point? Focus, and we are taking for the standard form a comma 0. A comma 0. So then, so this line, so x value, what is the x value here? This is x value and then this is y value. So then, so just substitute the x value, y value. X value as ae, y value as 0. You will get ae as then 3 of x value as ae minus 5 of y value as 0 minus 9 equal to 0. Then 3ae minus 5 of 0 minus 9 equal to 0. Solve this one. So 3ae minus 5 of 0 minus 9 equal to 0. 3ae. So this should be 0. Then 3ae minus 9 equal to 0. Then 3ae equal to 9. You will get ae as 3. ae is 3. And you have the value of a value. A value, what is that? 5. Okay. So, and you have a value and ae value. Then from that one, you can find the value of b value. So that value as b square is nothing but relation. So that is b square equal to a square of 1 minus e square. So I'm simply writing this one a square minus a square e square. So just multiply with this one. So then you have the value of a value is 5. A value is 5. And the a square value is nothing but 25. A square value is nothing but 25 minus A square E square. A square E square value is nothing but 3 whole square, which is nothing but 9. So B square equal 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 equal to 16. Okay, so this is a B square value and a value is 5. Then B square value I'm writing. So required equation can be x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. So A value, this is required equation. So then just substitute A value is 5, just substitute there. 5 square is nothing but 25 and the B square value is 16. So the required ellipse equation is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1, which is a required equation. Okay. So assignment. So the orbit of the Earth is an ellipse with eccentricity 1 by 60 with the sun at one of its foci, major axis being approximately this value 186 into 10 to the power of 6 miles in length. Find the shortest and the longest distance of the Earth from the sun. Just to, in the previous problem we had discussed that one. So same problem. So here he given that eccentricity. So relation between the A, B and solve that one and approximately. So major axis is nothing but 2A. So he given that value. You will get A value. Just substitute B square equal to A square of 1 minus E square. Then you will get the B value and substitute the equation. Substitute in the required equation x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. Okay. So this is assignment for today. And next question. So a man running on a race course notices that the sum of the distance of two flag posts from him is always 10 meters. So what is saying that a man running on a race course notices that sum of the distances of two flag posts from him is always 10. So and the distance between the flag posts is 8 meters. Find the equation of the race course traced by the man. So is participating in a race course and the distance between the two flags, from him, that is always 10 meters, and the distance between the flags is nothing but 8 meters. So that is a question, and we have to find the equation of the race course of traced by the man. Okay, so just the figure as follows. Please observe the figure. Center. I'm taking this one as ellipse. This is the path of he is passing through this path. So it is an ellipse. Directrix, focus, directrix. So here green lines are indicating with the poles. So this figure. So here this is the center, and if he passing through this red line, and these poles, these green lines are poles, and the distance between these two is 8 meters, and if he lies here, the sum of these two distances from him, it is a 10 meters. So that is in the question. So I think good. So this is the figure for the as per the question, and if he is there at P. Now solution for the given question. Given that major axis or minor axis is 10 meters, the flags are situated A and A dash. So I'm taking A dash as 10. 2A equal to, what is the length of the major axis? Length of the major axis is 2A equal to 10. That is A equal to 5. Then and the distance between the foci is nothing but 8m. 8m means, so distance between the foci is S dash, that is nothing but 2AE. AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0, just find the distance between those two, you will get 2AE. So then 2AE equal to distance between the foci, 2AE equal to 8, then you will get AE equal to 4. AE equal to 4. And we have the relation between A and B and eccentricity, that is B square equal to A square of 1 minus E square, that is B square equal to A square of 1 minus E square. So just to multiply that A square minus A square E square, just you have to substitute the values of A, AE value, then 25 minus 16 as usually. So sorry, this value. Okay, right? So this value is nothing but a square value is 25 and the a value is 16. So then you will get b square value same. Then a square equal 25, b square equal 9. Hence the required equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then the required equation like this. So in the question, what is saying that a person moving an ellipse, moving path of ellipse, and distance between the end point of major axis is 8, and that point should be constantly 10 meters from him in the anywhere sum of that one, that is 10. So just solve the path he was going the race course. So then that is, so x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So you have to solve from a dash equal to 10, then you will get a value, and the foci distance, that is s dash, that is 8 value. Then you will get a value, and the relation between a and b and eccentricity is nothing but b square equal to a square of 1 minus e square. Then b square value, you will get value b square, and the a value, you know that, just substitute the value. Okay, next. So a line of fixed length, a plus b moves so that its ends are always on two fixed perpendicular straight lines. A line of fixed length a plus b moves so that its ends are always on two fixed perpendicular straight lines. So prove that a marked point on the line which divides this line into portions of length a and a b describes an ellipse, and also find the eccentricity if the ellipse when a equal to 8, b equal to 12. Just what is saying that a line fixed length a plus b, so which is the length of that one, and always two fixed perpendicular lines I'm taking as a x-axis, y-axis, and the prove the marked point. So marked point at that line is having a point on the line that is marked, which divides in the portions a and b. So which divides in the portions a and b and describes an ellipse. This is lies on the ellipse. So then find the eccentricity of the ellipse where a equal to 8, b equal to 12. Just eccentricity we have to find that one. So for the figure for this one question is like this. I'm taking, so just I'm taking only first line, that is, so this is a, this is b. So this is the figure, so this which is lies on the ellipse. So I'm taking this one only. Then so solution for this one, let the perpendicular lines as a coordinate axis. So in the question is mentioned that it's that are perpendicular lines. Then so let OA equal to alpha, OB equal to beta. I'm taking OA equal to alpha, OB equal to beta. So the figure, observe that figure, which is nothing but intercept form, So this figure, which is nothing but intercept form, that is nothing but x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So I'm taking like that one. So OA, angle of OA, that value alpha, OA equal to alpha, OB equal to beta, so that the equation AB is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then the having end points a alpha comma 0 and the b 0 comma beta. Alpha comma 0 and 0 comma beta. I'm taking OA length as alpha, OB length as beta. So then alpha comma 0 and the beta comma and 0 comma beta are the two endpoints of the line. Then the length of the line is given the question. Given in the question, length of the line AB equal to a plus b. AB is nothing but a plus b. That is, so distance between those 2 points, a, b. So which is alpha minus 0 whole square or 0 minus alpha whole square plus beta minus 0 whole square. You will get this value. I'm taking first 0 minus alpha whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, plus beta minus 0 whole square. So just you will get alpha square plus beta square, which is under root. And here he says that squaring on both sides here, you will get cancel this value, and you will get alpha square plus beta square equal to a plus b whole square. This is the equation number 1 I'm taking. So this is nothing but intercept form. From that one, what is the intercept form endpoint? That is a comma 0, 0 comma b, which is ax by a plus y by b equal to 1. So then he given the length of the line, that is a plus b. I'm finding the ab length, that is value alpha square plus beta square equal to a plus b whole square, which is equation number 1. Then so let p divides the line a is to b. So and also in the question he said that a point, a marked, so that one marked point divides divides into two portions, that is a is to b in the question also. So then, so section formula, what is the section formula? If a line having internally externally trisection formulas, that is if a point x comma y divides in the ratio of m is to n, I will get formula as mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. That's why I'm solving for this one with the p of x comma y in the ratio of a is to b. Then p of x comma y, that is nothing but, so here a comma b is there, so then alpha comma 0 is there, and 0 comma beta is there. So here values, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Just substitute there. So just substitute there. So a is to b is nothing but this is m is to n. Just substitute in the equation. So then b m value is m of x2 value is 0. M of 0 value, a of 0 value is 0 plus b of alpha by a plus b. This value is a plus b. Similarly for this one, a of alpha plus b of a of beta plus b of 0 is nothing but a beta by a plus b. Then p value as this is p value as, so p value as b alpha by a plus b and a beta by a plus b, which is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So then which is x equal to b alpha by a plus b, which I'm finding for alpha equal to x of a plus b by b. Then y value as well as, so y equal to a beta by a plus b, then beta value as y plus a, y of a plus b by a. So here just this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Solve for alpha beta. So from this equation just equal to x, this is equals to y. Then solve alpha and beta. You will get value as alpha as x of a plus b by b and beta as y plus y of a plus b by a. Then so then this value is alpha comma beta. Alpha value alpha comma beta, which is equal to x of a plus b by b comma y of a plus b by a. So then substitute the values alpha beta in the equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but alpha square plus beta square equal to a plus b whole square. Just we are find the f alpha comma beta values and substitute in the equation number 1, that is alpha square get. So this value is what is the equation number 1? Alpha square plus beta square equal to a plus b whole square. Then substitute the values. This is alpha value, this is beta value. Then x of a plus b by b whole square plus y of a plus b by a whole square. Just simplify that one. I'm taking here a plus b as common as a, and also it is which is squaring. So I am a plus b whole square taking common. I will get x square by b square plus a plus b whole square. And from this one also y square by a square. So then you have to take a plus b whole square common, and also we have this one. Then we'll get cancel all these three. Then x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. P describe on the ellipse. So then P describe on the ellipse. So this is nothing but this is indicating an ellipse. This equation this equation indicating an ellipse. So that's why I'm taking P on the ellipse. Then A equal to 8 and B equal to 12, which is A is less than B, which is A is less than B. And also he asked in the question, find the eccentricity of the ellipse, which is A equal to 8 and B equal to 12. So from this one we get the value, this one with from that one. So A is less than B. So if A is less than B, the formulas are different for A is greater than B. So finding the eccentricity, that is nothing but under root of B square minus A square by B square. Just substitute the values of 12, 8. So that is 12 square is nothing but 144, 8 square is nothing but 64, by B square is nothing but 144. Then 144 minus 64 by 144, just this value is 144 minus 64 is nothing but 80. So this one, so 16 5s are 16 9s, 16 5s and the 16 9s. So 16 5s is 80 and 16 9s is 144. Then you will get E equal to root 5 by 9. So then I'm writing E as a root 5 by 3. So this is the finding the eccentricity for the given question. Okay. So next, prove that the equation of the curve joining points alpha and beta of the ellipse on the ellipse, that is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal 1 is this one. So x by a of cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sine of alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. Then chord joining points. So chord joining points alpha comma beta. So of the ellipse given equation x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So just we have to prove this one. So for this one, given point lies on the given points on the ellipse are, I'm taking as per the parametric a cos theta b sin theta. So here I'm taking a point P, a point Q, and a point with the alpha and a beta. Other point is beta. So I'm taking P, A cos alpha, B sin alpha, and a Q is A cos beta, B sin beta. So then, so slope. So from, I'm finding the slope of the curve. So I'm finding the slope of the curve, that is PQ. Slope of PQ is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Just substitute the values B sin beta minus B sin alpha by A cos beta minus A cos alpha. So from this one, so what here, these values, this value and this value, sorry, this value. So then now the PQ of slope is nothing but B sin beta minus B sin alpha by A cos beta minus A cos alpha, which is taking from the numerator B common, you will get B of sin beta minus sin alpha by A of cos beta minus cos alpha. So then, so we know the formulas, sin C minus sin D and the cos C minus cos D formulas. Similarly, I'm applying the formulas. So for that one, first we have to remind that one. So sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. And the cos C minus cos D is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Otherwise, this will be minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So just apply the formulas, just applying. I'm applying this one. So B is as usually outside of the this one. So in the sin beta minus sin alpha, I will get 2 cos of B plus alpha by 2 sin of B minus alpha by 2, and the denominator value A of minus 2 sin, I'm applying here minus, and this will be minus and this will be plus C minus D by 2. So that's fine. So just applied that one. So here B plus alpha, B minus alpha. So then I'm saying that, so minus 2 sin B plus alpha by 2 sin of B minus alpha by 2. Just solve this one. So these two are equal. So I'm cancelling this one. PQ equal to B of cos of beta plus alpha by 2 minus A sin of beta plus alpha by 2. So then, which is slope. So that is equation of the curve is nothing but if equation of the curve y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. So point slope equation, just you have to substitute the x1 comma y1 with the slope, and y minus b sin alpha equal to, so slope value he given, slope value, find that one, we find that one slope value as this is. So then x minus a cos alpha. Just cross multiply this one and this one. So multiply, you will get value as y minus b of minus a sine of beta plus alpha by 2. Y minus b of minus a sine of beta plus alpha by 2 equal to b cos of beta plus alpha by 2 of x minus a cos alpha. So then, so substitute, just multiply this one. So multiply y of a, y of minus a sine alpha beta plus alpha by 2 and minus into minus plus ab of sine alpha into sine of beta plus alpha by 2. This value is left side value, this total value, this value is right side value. So which is right side value is this one. So that is xb cos beta plus alpha by 2 minus ab cos alpha cos beta plus alpha by 2. Okay, please observe this one. So just applying now. So simplifying that one, xb cos of beta plus alpha by 2 plus ya sine of beta plus alpha by 2 and equal to ab sine of sine beta plus alpha by 2 plus ab cos beta plus alpha by 2. I'm separating the xb term, ya term and ab terms. So then, so from this one xb of same, left side value is same, right side value I'm taking ab common. Then I will get sine a sine b plus cos a cos b. So this is nothing but value of cos of c minus d. This value is cos c minus cos d, that is cos d plus sin c sin d. So then just substituting that one value, I will get this one. So this value is here, I'm taking, this is c value, this is d value. So then I will get alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2. Then this here you have to do LCM, then you will get 2 alpha minus beta. Then x by a, I'm dividing with a b of the equation. Then I will get x by a cos alpha plus beta plus alpha by cos beta plus alpha by 2 plus y by b sine of beta plus alpha by 2, which is equal to this one. So I will get cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So x by a cos of beta plus alpha by 2 plus y by b sine of beta plus alpha by 2, which is equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2, which is the required answer. We required to prove this one. So this is proved. So this is a question, and this is the ellipse topic for. So this is the ellipse topic for second year this year. So and the remaining topics will be there, but as per the 30% deduction syllabus, the tangents and the normals was deducted. So that's why this is enough for as per the intermediate board. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.